Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to contact intesa São Paulo support team. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for intesa São Paulo, click this website, first one, as you can see here, you will see this page. This is the first the support team. Click on talk to us, this option, and then click, you have two options here. You can contact via chat, you can contact via this number +39 011 8019 200. So all you have to do, click start chat if you want to use a support team. From here you can use this chat team. You can reach this about support team. You can contact via this phone number. Click on this one. This is about phone number. You can contact and use this phone number. So this is the inside. You can use the chat as you can see here. This is about chat. So friends, just click need help. Also you can access to your problems here. You can solve your problems via a chat team. You have two options here, the call and free number, and write us with a chat. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share.